Open a new document by selecting Part and confirming with OK. In the Feature Manager design tree, select the top plane and begin a new sketch to establish the horizontal base orientation. Activate the Circle tool from the Sketch toolbar and place its center point precisely at the origin to anchor the geometry in three-dimensional space. Drag outward to sketch the profile, then select Smart Dimension. Click the circumference of the circle and input a value of 300 millimeters in the Modify box to ensure the sketch becomes fully defined. Switch to the Features tab and select Extruded Boss/Base. Under Direction 1, set the blind depth to 200 millimeters and confirm with the green check mark to generate the primary solid cylinder that forms the lower foundation of the component. Orient the view by selecting the top planar surface of the cylinder, right-clicking, and choosing Normal to. Start a new sketch on this flat face. Activate the Circle tool once more, snapping directly to the origin to maintain exact concentricity with the existing base geometry, and draw a second circle outward. Select Smart Dimension, click the outer profile, and set its diameter to 380 millimeters to achieve a fully defined sketch. Access the Features tab, select Extruded Boss/Base, and define an extrusion thickness of 15 millimeters. Confirming the feature adds a mounting flange cleanly onto the top of the primary cylinder. Rotate the model to inspect the cylindrical features, then select the front plane from the Feature Manager design tree. Change the view to Normal to and start a new sketch on the front plane to model the upper feature. Select the Circle tool and draw a circle positioned vertically above the origin, followed by a second smaller circle sharing the exact same center point. Select Smart Dimension to define the inner diameter at 150 millimeters and the outer diameter at 245 millimeters. Apply a vertical distance dimension of 200 millimeters between the center point of the concentric circles and the top face of the lower flange, constraining the upper profile in space. Switch to the Features tab and choose Extruded Boss/Base. In Direction 1, change the end condition from blind to mid-plane so the material distributes equally relative to the front plane, then set the total extrusion depth to 200 millimeters. Confirming the feature creates a horizontal cylindrical sleeve positioned above the base flange. Rotate the model to view the underside of the flange. Select the flat circular surface. Click Normal to and start a new sketch on this plane. Select the Center Rectangle tool from the Sketch toolbar, placing the center point directly on the origin so the geometry expands symmetrically. Use Smart Dimension to set the height of the rectangle to 160 millimeters and the width to 220 millimeters, turning the sketch entities black to confirm a fully defined sketch. Proceed to the Features tab and select Extruded Boss/Base. Change the end condition to Up to Next, allowing the rectangular profile to extrude upward. until it meets and conforms cleanly to the curved exterior of the upper cylindrical sleeve. Confirm the feature to form a solid structural neck uniting the upper and lower sections of the component. Rotate the model to review the integrated geometry. Finally, select the Fillet command from the Features tab. Select the 4 vertical transition edges located where the rectangular neck meets the main body. Set a constant fillet radius of 10 millimeters and approve the operation to reduce stress concentrations and complete the part design.